Hi, my name is Jerry Walsh, and this is my project for CS50 Python course, in which I've used parts from the CS50X course as well as the CS50P course. It's a game called Python, which I used to play when I was younger, and unfortunately the original game requires two players, one to tell you if you're correct when you make the choices. Here you can play this by yourself. It has 5 colors hidden in the top row, and your job is to find out what they are. You have 5 chances to do so. Each one of these rows represents a chance to do it, and you can select any one of the 6 colors for any location. I'm going to try and select as many as I can here for the first choice. And I see the yellow is in the correct position, indicated by the 2 asterisks. Sky blue was found but not in that position, and the green was found but not in that position. Red and orange were not. So I will try again. Blue. I want to keep yellow here because that was correct. I'll try green here. I'll try violet. I haven't tried that yet. And I'll try green again. Okay, now you see I've got 3 of them in the correct position: sky blue, yellow, and green. So I'm going to want to keep those in the same position. But now violet was not found. Yellow was. So the colors can appear multiple times. So you want to try and make sure that you've got them. So sky blue and yellow were not correct for there. I'll try this again. So I've tried green, violet, and yellow here. I haven't tried sky blue. So I've tried green and blue here, but I haven't tried yellow. And there, success. I've managed to match all the colors, and you see the top row is now revealed. So if I hadn't revealed them by the last row, it would have said, sorry, try again. And the top row would again been revealed so I could see why I was wrong. Okay, thank you very much.